shall I do? The goods are becoming, the business is expanding. What should I do? And then he said, I know what to do. I know. Go to the next verse. I know what to do. This I will do. I will pull down the old warehouse and I will build a new one, a bigger one, and then I will rearrange all the goods in that particular warehouse. In the next verse, the Bible says, and I will say to my soul, soul, thou have goods laid, too much goods laid up for you, and for many years. Take your ease, man. When you will eat and drink and be merry. And the Bible said, but God said to him, thou fool, thou fool, thou fool, thou fool. I will come back to that one. Thou fool, this night I shall require of thee your soul. Then who shall those things be which you have provided? The Bible made the reason why God said, I will take your soul. So he that laid up treasure for himself and is not rich toward God. The reason why God is going to kill this man is because he is not rich toward God. When you read this one, you may not have clarity. So let's read it in the New Living Translation. In the NLT, the Bible said, yes, a person is a fool to store up earthly wealth, but not have a rich relationship with God. A person is a fool to store up earthly wealth, but not have a rich relationship with God. A person is a fool. I notice, Alabaster, that there are 13 different fools in the Bible. 13 different fools in the Bible.